yourself, talking about your feelings or how you react to something. Yeah. Like a tweet. Does anybody know what a tweet is? Yeah. Explain a little bit more.
Twitter.
Explain a little bit more.
Okay, Twitter's like where you just do like what he said to say like the feelings or whatever.
Yeah, did you want to add something to that?
It's a social network system
Yeah.
where people will talk to people
Yeah.
and
Like Facebook.
like
Yeah.
talk like instantly.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah.
Also kind of like a dialogue.
Like a dialogue. A public dialogue. I like that. These are some great words. Oh, diary. Public diary. Dialogue. Yeah.
A blog is just like Facebook or MySpace.
Oh.
I do have a MySpace and a Facebook.
Yeah.
Also, blogs are good if there's like.
Hang on 1 second. There's a lot of something going on over here. We want to make sure that we're all listening to whoever's speaking at the time.
Like a class in school, they had a blog where the teacher would post like an assignment, so kids can on the weekend they can put they can do the assignment or something, or they can like one assignment that we had was like comment on this article and then comment on somebody else's comment.
Yes, yeah. So what we're going to be doing, we haven't quite set it up yet, but it's in the works, which is pretty awesome, is that we have a blog for our own group, and we're going to be able to upload videos like you took yesterday. We're going to be able to write on that blog like you're going to be doing today, and then maybe even be able to do some of the social part like commenting on each other's blogs and things like that. So that's really exciting. So for today's lesson, we're not going to be doing it online, but we're going to be doing it in a Word document. You guys have done Word, written notes, right? And so this is what you're going to have in that document, our little mini blog. You're going to give it a title. Of course, you want it to be something catchy like, I don't know, I can't think of anything catchy.
A tree just fell on me.
Well,
Something catchy, but maybe something that will tell you a little more than that. All right.
I got it.
The next thing that you're going to want is 2 or 3 sentences to kind of set the scene. Like, what did you do yesterday? You don't have to write a whole novel, just a couple of sentences about what you did yesterday to tell your readers, because someone else is going to be reading this, what they're about to see. Then you're going to choose the best video. Say, for example, the clip springer down in Africa Hall, right? Remember where you had to jump? So maybe you've got 2 different videos of that. Take 1 and take 2. You're going to choose the best one. So that's one thing you're going to need to do. And the other thing, you're going to have to write a caption. What's a caption? Does anybody know what a caption is? What's a caption?
Like a sort of little story or...
Yeah, like a little story. Like a really, really short story. You want to add to that?
It's something like say how good it's saying what the picture's about, who did it, and what fun they did.
Yeah, like, so what the picture, a little story about it, exactly. Yeah,
Or sometimes in like stories, it will have little text that goes with the picture. Like
Yeah.
your picture, this would be like a thumb.
Right, exactly. It's a little text that explains what's going on in what you're looking at that video. So you're going to write a quick caption. It should be short but informational. No, it shouldn't just say hi. And then 2 or 3 sentences at the end to wrap up or reflect. What did you learn from it? What did your group think about the activity? Kind of like a summary, kind of to wrap it up. So those things are what you're going to need to have on your blog. And then what Courtney's going to do is she's going to actually show you the nuts and bolts of how to do this. So this is what you're going to need to have on it. And this is how you're going to actually do that. So how you're going to get the video, how you're going to open those things up, and all of that good stuff.
Yay, we're almost there. This is the second connector cord we've gotten, and hopefully this one works. Keeps falling out.
While we're waiting, how many of you regularly read somebody's blog?
Oh, I do like comments.
Yeah. Yeah. How many of you guys are on Facebook or MySpace?
I am every single
other kids? Raise your hand. From other kids.
I don't. I just
Hands down.
I don't know if we'll call it.
How about from adults? How many of you guys read another adult's blog? Define adult. That's a good question.
What about teenager?
Yeah, I read. There was a. So I listened to this radio station, and on Sunday mornings they have this thing called Philosophy Talk, and one of the super exciting, I know. One of the topics of the thing was what is an adult? Like, who's an adult? How are you? Am I an adult? Is Megan an adult?
You're an adult if you're 18 or older.
So that's
No,
one
you're
definition
legal.
of an adult, right?
You're legal.
But are you an adult now that you have graduated from school?
No.
Are you an adult because you
You're an
live
adult.
away from home? What about people who are old and don't live at home? So very interesting discussion that I probably don't need to. While we're waiting for our technical difficulties, you guys all at the rainforest found something that you never have seen before, right? What I want you to do is I want you to write on a Post-it what you saw. Okay? Try to post it right on it, and then I want you to put it on.
Maybe it's the second one, because you've got your desktop, so this is working. You've got your desktop. We need to tell them to talk, but they already are, and that's what's weird. I wonder if it's, change the input, yeah, because the input was right, so I think it's
So once
either,
you have your, you never saw
I think it might be,
Facebook is based on someone's email on Friday.
I wonder
Yeah,
if,
and you can chat. And what Facebook is YouTube.
I wonder what kind of setting they could do though where it wouldn't show. Or if you try the F7. Well, once we get this, is it Apple to use these? This? That would be the equivalent. See how it now it's not? But this needs to be on the, whatever the right input is. I just don't remember.
I just hit exit when I've gotten out of that. Or cancel, or just like.